How to fix cannot connect to the App Store. So sometimes it just happens that App Store is down. To double check that, you just need to use website like Down Detector or a bunch of others, and then you can just go and search for like App Store, or for example here there is App Store precisely, and then you can just see the reports whether it's down or not. So, and people will write comments and here, and yeah, and then you will see the report map where the outage is happening. So, and if you see that, it means, all right, this is the issue with Apple, with App Store. And what you can do then, you just can wait, and you can of course try to reach out to Apple support, but you will probably just waste your time. They will just tell you some general stuff. So in my case, usually you need to wait, and sometimes you just need to wait like literally 30 minutes and retry. In other cases, I needed to wait like 1 hour, 2 hours. In other cases, you needed to wait like more than 1 day. Usually, yeah, it's like 1 day can be like, yeah, because if it's longer than 1-2 hours, this global outage, of course, all the media will write about it. So it's usually not happening, but recently it just happened. So yeah, you just need to wait, but make sure to double check on this Down Detector app before, because maybe if there is no reports of that this app is kind of down, then maybe this is exactly the issue with your Wi-Fi, 3G, and all of the things like that. So yeah, just go to Down Detector. If the App Store app is down, then that's what it is. If it's not down and you still can't access it, then try changing Wi-Fi, try changing like 5G network, whatever, restart your phone and all of that.